Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great day of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about Apple officially announcing its March 25th event with the tagline, "It's Showtime." Apple's expected to unveil its video streaming service and bundle news service at the event. Taking a look at the price movement and statistics, so Apple, ticker symbol AAPL, past year up 0.39%, past 5 years up 139.79%. Current price is $180.99. So it's midpoint between the 52-week range. Market cap is $846 billion. P ratio is 14.88, and dividend yield is 1.205. So as I mentioned, Apple's going to announce its video streaming services on March 25th. And according to an analyst, specifically Wedbush analysts, Apple's streaming service is going to reach 100 million subscriptions in just 3 years. That's just a prediction. And the analyst calls the estimate a realistic goal, given Apple's massive installed base and unmatched brand loyalty. So because so many users are on iPhone, iPad, the Apple TV platform, as well as the laptops, it's the fact that there's a whole ecosystem around that Apple provides. It wouldn't be hard for Apple to push this service to all those devices. And the new service could translate into a $7 to $10 billion annual revenue stream over time, which is good to have some predictable revenue, considering that Apple, their major revenue source, which is the iPhone, is decelerating in terms of the growth. And as I mentioned, Apple is expected to unveil its TV streaming services that will offer iPhone and iPad owners access to free original shows along with other streaming services. Scrolling down a bit. So I've said that the streaming service will be worth about $400 billion for Apple, and this highly profitable segment is poised to bring in $50 billion in revenue by 2020. So hearing that Apple is pushing out the service, it'll definitely impact other content streaming services like Netflix, ticker symbol NFLX. So past year up 10%, past 5 years up 456.06%. So at the peak, it was about over $408 per share. And this space is becoming more competitive with other players, including Apple, Amazon with their Prime service, Disney soon pushing out their streaming service, Hulu, which is owned by Disney, Comcast, Fox, and AT&T. So there's a lot of competitors in this space trying to push out their version of their content streaming service, and it's going to get very competitive. So that's all for this video. What are your thoughts on Apple getting into the video streaming space? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral link below, and both of us get $20 for using Personal Capital or free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.